अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। कोर्स नेम इंट्रोडक्शन टू एनवायरमेंटल साइंसेस, लेक्चर नंबर 15। टुडेज टॉपिक एनवायरमेंटल चैलेंजेस एट लोकल, रीजनल एंड ग्लोबल लेवल। The Earth is approximately 4.6 billion years old, and it is only the last 200 years that human activities have had a major impact on the ecosystems that make up the biosphere. These impacts have been noticed at increasing aerial scales. Even in the 19th and early 20th centuries, there are numerous case studies of local environmental problems. These included polluted water, especially in urban industrial areas, local scale soil erosion, landslides, and atmospheric pollution in industrial areas of cities. The increasing incidence of waterborne diseases such as cholera in the rapid expanding cities of urbanized Britain caused concern among the urban inhabitants are as recorded in the environmental health reports at local, urban and regional scale. As economic growth and development continue, the scale of the environmental impacts increase from local issues to regional, national, international, and even global scales. Poverty is the world's most powerful pollutant. Those who have little hope for the future cannot be expected to care for the environment. In urban areas, this manifests itself particularly in water and land pollution. The poor are trapped in a vicious circle of environmental degradation, bad health, and increasing poverty without hope of development. Water resources and pollution. Growth of population and economies has had a profound impact on Asia's freshwater resources. Water quality is deteriorating due to sewage, industrial effluent, urban and agricultural runoff, and saline intrusion. The Yellow River, People's Republic of China, गैंजीज इंडिया, जिसको हम गंगा भी बोलते हैं, इंडिया में गंगा के नाम से ये जाना जाता है, गैंजीज और गंगा, एंड एमू दरिया एंड सेर दरिया are among the world's most polluted water. At the start of 21st century, 9 countries with around 35% of the world's population were believed to have less than 2000 cubic meter of renewable fresh water available per capita per year. This implies acute water scarcity. Urban air pollution. The air in Asia city is among the most polluted in the world as a result of increased traffic, rapid industrialization, and increased energy consumption. Air pollution causes increased mortality and disease and lead to the loss of crops and property. The economic cost of air pollution is estimated at 0.5 to 2.5% of the world gross national product (GDP). ट्रांसबाउंड्री पोल्यूशन एक ऐसी पोल्यूशन है जो एक रीजन में क्रिएट हो और बॉर्डर के थ्रू एक रीजन से दूसरी रीजन में जो ट्रांसफ़र होती है उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसबाउंड्री पोल्यूशन. सो इंक्लूडिंग हेज़ क्या होता है? एटमॉस्फेरिक फिनोमेना इन विच डस्ट, स्मोक एंड अदर ड्राई पर्टिकुलेट्स obscure the clarity of the sky, just like smoke. Acid rain and transboundary pollution have increased sustainability in recent years. The transboundary transport of toxic and hazardous substances contribute to urban pollution in Asia too. Global warming. Developing countries in Asia and the Pacific are among the most endangered to the effect of global warming. Global warming has the potential to cause sea level rise and increase in climate related natural disasters like flooding, drought and storms, and the disruption of the agriculture owing to the change in temperature, rainfall and wind. Atmospheric effect and impact. The deteriorating quality of urban air, transboundary pollution including haze and acid rain, and global climate change are the major problems of affecting the atmospheric ecosystem. Through international cooperation, we are examining impacts on the regional and global physical climate system, on on regional water cycles and agriculture, and on human health. Environmental challenges may increase risk to food, energy, and water security on a global scale. Global environmental changes such as impact of climate change, loss of biodiversity, overuse of natural resources, environmental and health issues are critically linked to issues of poverty and the sustainability of ecosystems, and consequently issues of resources security and political stability. This adds pressure and uncertainty to the overall competition for natural resources, which might intensify as a consequence of increased demand, decreased supplies, and decreased stability of supplies. Ultimately, this further increases pressure on ecosystem globally, and especially their capacity to ensure continued food, energy, and water security. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations (FAO), demand for food, feed, and fibers could grow by 70% by 2050. The weakness of global food, water, and energy system have become apparent over recent years. Similarly, the International Energy Agency (IEA) expect global demand for energy to rise by 40% over the next 20 years if no major policy changes are implemented. The IEA has repeatedly warned about a hindered global energy crisis due to rising long-term demand. Massive and continuous investment are needed in energy efficiency, renewable energies, new infrastructures to achieve the transition to a low carbon resource efficient energy system that is compliant with long term environmental objectives. But it could be water shortages that will hit hardest over the coming decades. One estimate suggests that in just 20 years, global demand for water could be 40% higher than today and more than 50% higher in the most rapidly developing countries. Already today, in many parts of the world, non-renewable resources use resource use is close to its limit, and potentially renewable resources are being used beyond their reproductive capacity. This kind of dynamics can also be recognized in Europe's neighboring regions with their comparatively rich natural capital. At the global level, poverty and social exclusion are further worsened by ecosystem degradation and changes in the climate. Resource exploitation and changes in the climate aggravate threats to the natural capital. They also affect quality of life, potentially undermining social and political stability. Furthermore, the livelihoods of billions of peoples are naturally linked with the sustainability of local ecosystem services. Combined with demographic pressures, decreasing socio-ecological flexibility can add a new dimension to the environment and security debate, as conflict around insufficient resources is likely to intensify and add to migration pressures. It may take decades to bring about more fundamental changes in energy infrastructure, urban settlements, transport system, consumer technologies, particularly in lifestyles. There are already, however, signs of hope. Environmental awareness is constantly rising. International discussion on the future of the global economy focus on the role that multi-sided environmental agreements could play in shaping the global framework for the economy. Thank you. As we already discussed about environmental challenges like environmental problems, for example, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. These are all environmental challenges and problems. So we are discussed about Here we are discussed about environmental challenges and problems. Next we will discuss about sustainability of these problems, how we can sustain our world or society. So in next topic we will discuss about sustainability. It's all about today's topic. Thank you.